Okay, welcome. This video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall an app on your app store. Okay, one of the main reasons you want to do this is because having too many apps on your store can definitely slow down the speed of your store. And one of the fastest ways to lose customers is to not have your site running at an optimal speed to where customers end up just backing out and going off of your store. This video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove those apps that you don't want installed anymore. All right, so if you're in your Shopify dashboard, if you go to the apps tab and click on that, all right, you'll see your apps will start to load right on here. Let's say I wanted to get rid of the digital downloads app. I will click on that there. Now, once you click on that, it'll bring you to the apps dashboard. If I scroll all the way over here next to this pin, these three dots, and click on that, all right, it'll show get support or app settings. So I'll click on the app settings. Now, once I'm on this screen right here, all I have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the red tab saying delete app. All right, so we click on that. All right, bottom here, they're going to ask you a reason for deleting. It's optional. You don't have to answer any of that, and you just click delete. Okay, and just like that, you've successfully deleted that app. If I go back to my store, go back to the apps tab, you'll see that that app has been permanently removed from my Shopify store. You can do that with any app that you're not currently using anymore, because like I said, a lot of times when we're building these stores, we might use certain apps for certain times and they might be useful at certain points, but we'll stop using them. And a lot of times just leaving it still installed is affecting the speed of your actual store. So if you're not using it anymore, you want to delete all those apps. Okay, even if it's not a paid app and you're being charged for it, it's still affecting the speed of your store. All right, so thanks for watching the video. Hope you got some value from it. If so, definitely hit the like, drop a comment if you got any questions, and make sure you subscribe to catch the rest of the videos. All right, so thanks for watching. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.